Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again today I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making topic by topic on each and every video. I am making each and every topic, right? So that you people can understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and you can do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and my video, so whenever I update a new video you'll get a notification. Okay. And in our last video we have covered the topic called Jimmy's story. On earth people are not what they seem, and in this video I'm going to cover the topic called Jimmy's story continued. You cannot fool God Almighty. So this is the topic which I will be covering on this video. And friends, I want to tell you one more thing, that you do connect me on Instagram, and if you have any doubts you can directly mail me at abhimanyu1906 at the rate gmail.com. Okay. So I will start the video, and even what I'm doing is that I'm giving numbers to each and every video. So whenever if you see the video sequence wise, so you will understand it in a better way, as this is the 35th video which I am making on this book, right? So I will start this video, friends. Okay. 14th 1981. 14th May 1981. Jimmy's story continued. You cannot fool God Almighty. Jimmy Uncle's story was so terrible, it was unbelievable. We could not believe it because we had always idealized Jimmy Uncle. He was always donating to charities, helping the poor, and had been a loving and friendly man. In Jimmy Uncle's own words, here is his story. So here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling that we even cannot think about Jimmy Uncle's about any negative thing, because we always remember that Jimmy Uncle is a very good friend, used to donate money to everybody, who used to do lot of charity, who used to help the poor, who used to give clothes, education to the poor. Then how could Jimmy Uncle be in such a lower realm? So here then now you're going to listen the story of the Jimmy Uncle from the mouth of Jimmy Uncle, right? Vipsi and Ratu, my dear friends, now this Jimmy Uncle is telling it. This is the word of Jimmy Uncle. You thought I was a beautiful soul. You believed what I showed the world, and I believed it too. So here Jimmy Uncle is telling Vipsi, Ratu, you believed whatever I shown to you. This world believe whatever I have shown to this world, right? I believed that all of my horrible sins had been pardoned by God, as I was doing all of these good things to just to reach heaven after I died on the earth. So here Jimmy Uncle is telling, I was only doing all these things so that I could come in heaven. I could come near to the God. I gave money to charities and did good deeds thinking I wouldn't be punished for my sins. So here Jimmy Uncle is telling to Vipsi and Ratu that I did these good works so that whatever sins I have did in my life, I don't want to get punished for those sins. So I did good works in my life. But I got what was due to me. I fooled myself and the earth world, but no one can fool God. God can never be fooled. So here Vipsi and Jimmy Uncle is telling to Vipsi and Ratu, I fooled the people staying on the earth, but I thought I could have fooled God, but I was unable to fool God Almighty, and nobody can fool God Almighty. So this Jimmy Uncle is telling. To start with, I began my life as the son of a very gentle, loving lady. So here Vipsi and Ratu is here Jimmy Uncle is telling the story to Vipsi and Ratu about Jimmy Uncle's life. So here he begins his life with a loving lady who didn't even have any bad thoughts. Means he was telling about a mother, his mother. His mother was very good, and his mother didn't have any bad thoughts. My father was a crook. He harassed my mother and forced her to act wrongly. He was very selfish man. So here he was telling about Jimmy uncle is telling about his father. My mother was a very good person, but my father was a crook. He was a selfish man. He always tortured my mother. So this he is telling, and even too was even and was even cruel to us. He forced us all, my mother, brother, sister, and myself, to act wrongly. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, here Jimmy uncle is telling to Vipsi and Ratu, my father was a crook. He always beaten us, to me, my sister, and my mother, and he always wanted us to do all negative work. I watched my mother cry in agony so many times, telling us it is wrong, it is all wrong, we are sinning. So he always see his mother crying, that his mother is always crying, weeping, and my father joked about it and called her crazy. After a while, we, his children, were so impressed by our crooked father that my brother, sister, and even I began to see our mother as such a crazy and stupid. So here, uh, Jimmy's father used to call Jimmy's mother stupid, you're idiot. And Jimmy, by seeing Jimmy and Jimmy's sister, was also surprised, and he was somehow he was somehow what you call very impressed with his father, and he also started doing the same way as his father used to do. He saw to it that we would not respect our good, kind mother, and our loved for her vanished. So Jimmy used to not respect his mother, and the love for her mother was vanished, who was a really good soul. My mother was absolute miserable seeing her children following in their father's footsteps. One day my mother said, Jimmy, I want you to stop doing what your father tells you to, because I believe it is wrong. So Jimmy's mother wanted to stop Jimmy, and one day Jimmy's mother called, Jimmy, come here. Whatever you're doing is wrong. So Jimmy's mother wanted to improve Jimmy, but now see what happens. As you are my eldest child, I want your cooperation to save your brothers and sister. So Jimmy's mother was requesting to Jimmy that, hey Jimmy, as you are my eldest son, so I want you to save your brother and sister. I laughed at her and said, why don't you just jump from the cliff, since you cannot tolerate us all? So here Jimmy said that to his mother, why don't you suicide? Why don't you jump here? If you are unable to tolerate us. We lived in a cottage near a deep valley, and from the window I showed her a step descent into the valley and added. So here Jimmy shown window, go and jump from here. If you can't tolerate us, leave us and go. Nothing is fit for you but this death. Our father is an intelligent man. You are not fit to be his wife. Drown yourself in the river. So here Vipsi and Jimmy uncle said to his mother, "You're not fit to be a wife of our father. Our father is really good person. You are really a bad soul. You are really a bad. Don't deserve to stay here. Why don't you jump and end your life? Why don't you drown into a river?" She did just that. So her mother committed suicide. The next morning, we were called by the police, and we found her body lying in the riverside near our home. So, next morning, Jimmy's mother died. So, she jumped in the river, and police called them. And Jimmy went there and saw the dead body lying in the river. I was shocked, but still thought of her as a stupid and crazy woman. So here, Jimmy uncle is telling to Vipsi and Ratu, by seeing this, that my mother is no more, I was really shocked. But I still I think that my mother is a stupid. I considered her weak because she did not have the strength to stop herself from committing a sin like suicide. So he thought that her mother is a weak because he have committed a suicide. she has committed a suicide and she could not stop herself from committing this sin. Our father was now very happy because he would not have to suffer any more interference from my mother. So Jimmy's father became very happy because Jimmy's mother left and there was no interference. There was nobody to tell that you're correct or you're wrong. So Jimmy's father was very happy. We he started training us to become the worst type of crook. So his father started giving him the training that to become a worst type of crook. He was such a thief, but we never knew about it until our mother's death. For we were so impressed by him. So Jimmy's father was a very big thief, right? And Jimmy used to not know this until the death of her mother. And when Jimmy's mother died, Jimmy was very happy and they were very much impressed by Jimmy's mother's death. We thought that all the nice things he brought us had been given to him by people he had helped. So here, Jimmy was used to think whatever his father used to bring good things was given by the people whom he used to help. He had brainwashed us so much that we believed him absolute and never questioned him. So her father brainwashed Jimmy in such a way that he used to never question her father that from where you bring this thing or from what work you do. Never they used to ask any question to his father. He trained us to con people and make them part with their valuable. So his father started giving them the training how to con people, how to make them fool, right? He showed us how to fool them with sweet words, an innocent look, and a pious manner. So her father used to give her training like how to look innocent and fool people, how to make other people fool in a sweet, innocent manner. To the world, we were all dutiful, good, kind, and honest, but on the inside, we were just like devil our father was. So from outside, they were all were good, but from inside, they were like a devils, like their father. How his father was a devil, in the same way, they are also a devil like his father. Having taught us all these horrible things, even how to kill without leaving behind clues. He retired telling us since he had the head, he had a right to all the booty. So her father used to teach us how to do murder without even leaving a single clue. How to kill people without leaving a single clue. This even Jimmy uncle also learned how to do this work. He showed us boys how to approach old widow or lonely ladies, win their love and make love to them, and then take whatever they had, leaving them to a life disappear and poverty. So her father taught him how to love a widow lady, how to put them in our love, and how to take all their money and throw out them in a poverty. So this thing were taught by his father in a very fantastic way, and Jimmy learned it. He said with pride that he had done this to many women and had never been caught by the police. So it was his pride that I conned many women. I have looted, I have taken money from many women, but I have never caught by the police. In fact, no one had even pointed a finger at him. We thought he was so great, intelligent, and brave to have done such thing that we must follow his example. So here, Jimmy uncle used to admire his father. Wow, what a great thing! What a great personality! You do such a negative thing. You're not even caught by the police. No one catches you. You're such a good soul. So Jimmy used to admire his father and have done such a thing and must follow his example. So Jimmy started following his example. So friends, this topic came to an end. So today's topic, which we were covering, was Jimmy's story continued. You cannot fool God Almighty. This was the topic. And next topic, which we will be covering in the next video, is Jimmy's story continued. God's justice always catches up. So this is the next which we are going to continue. So friends, this topic came to an end, and as I always say, this book is this big and I cannot make the full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I am making videos on each and every topic, so you people can understand. You can ask me in the comment section if you have any doubts. You can connect me on Instagram. If you have any doubts or anything, you can ask me. Do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so today's video comes to an end, friends. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye. Take care, be blessed, bye.